Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Find X2 Neo, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on this device. Let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, open the Quick Access panel or Control panel, and let's take a closer look at all the items. Okay, if you are not using Wi-Fi right now but only using the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi. If you are only using Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable the mobile network, because this will save your battery power as the phone will not search for an unused networks. If you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Next, pay attention to Bluetooth. If you don't need Bluetooth right now, just turn it off, because if Bluetooth is enabled, it's constantly looking for new devices nearby, and this also consumes your battery power. So disable Bluetooth if you don't need it now. The next step is to enable power saving mode. In order to turn on power saving mode, open the settings, then find battery icon, find battery, and here you will see power saving mode. Great. Power saving mode use less RAM, which means less battery power. In addition, power saving mode reduces our runtime when the screen is on, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced. But you can reduce your screen brightness manually, because it will save your battery life too. And of course, you can enable super power saving mode. In this mode, you can use this mode when you need your device only for calls and you need it to last as long as possible, so you can enable this mode. In this mode, you have a limited number of applications available to use. For example, you can add here 3 applications, but I don't recommend you doing this, because is adding power-hungry applications makes super power saving mode useless. Okay, if you want to exit this mode, just click on exit button and click exit super power saving mode. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.